What's up guys, this is MVP Gameplays and today we're unboxing Lavazza Blue Classy Mini coffee machine. It has a Design Awards 2018, the IF Award. It has two buttons. It's the capsule machine, and it got 8 capsule drawer. And that's it. That's it. It's simple espresso coffee machine, but with great design and also great looks. It has a lot of drinks. It has a Lavazza Blue system, so there are a lot of capsules to choose from, and each capsule has 8 or 9 grams of coffee. As an example, the Nespresso coffee machine has only 5 grams. So you can make much bigger coffee, and it has the same strength as the Nespresso, only in espresso. So let's take a look. Let's dig in. That's the package. So here we have some manuals. Here we have, this is the water dryer. This is from real metal, so it looks awesome. Yeah, here we can see real sturdy. Okay, the top shelf, here we go, and here's the coffee machine itself. Let me take this here. Voila, we have coffee machine. What's there? Yeah, only this part. Okay, so it's wrapped in some old school material. Let's do it like that. Here we go. And here we got the coffee machine itself. Take it. Oh, here it is. And we're free. Great. Let's take that to the side. Yeah, let's peel the plastic off. Damn, so awesome. Awesome. Here we can put capsule. Here, Lavazza Blue system. Awesome. There's the water. Let's peel this plastic off too. Here and on the side as well. Awesome. You can see the Lavazza fragments on here. Okay. It has a lot of small plastic covers. Here. Bam. Oh, and we have more plastic here. So this is, it's fine. This is the capsule drawer. Inside it has 2 parts. One part for the water and another for the capsules. Here we go. That was the unboxing of Lavazza Blue Mini compact coffee machine. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until the next unboxing.